3LZ Z06 Z07 track package coupe. We got our beautiful 7-speed manual transmission. And while we're in here, we do have one modification. Hello everybody, once again I am Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas, and I've got another 7-speed manual 3LZ Z06 Z07 track package coupe. This is a 2016 Arctic White, black interior. Let's check it out. So from the front, you can see we have the Stage 2 Carbon Flash Aero package. That's the CFZ package. You can tell it's a 16 and at least a 2 or 3 trim when you have the front curve view cameras. We have the Carbon Flash and badge package. But I do have to highlight this car. This car. The hood has a custom painted black hood stinger setup, and you see the way it wraps around. This was custom painted. Very cool. I will note, and you can verify this when you look at the Carfax and the detail notes on our website, we actually sold this Corvette to its previous owner years ago. He decided to upgrade to a different vehicle for personal needs and sold it back to us. He kept it immaculate. And again, this Corvette already had that on it when we sold it the first time. So those of you that have been long tracking Corvette World, it might be a little familiar. But hey, it's back in inventory, and you all get the pleasure and another shot at buying it for yourself. We have the beautiful chrome Z06 wheels, the massive J57 carbon ceramic brakes, and the red calipers. We have the Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires and run flaps, so you don't have to worry about the track tires if that's an issue for you. You got the standard Super Sport run flats. All the Z06s have the side cove like this, and the Z06 badging there in the chrome with the red letter Z. We have the Stage 2 Carbon Flash side skirt. We also have the painted carbon fiber removable target top. You take it off, load it in the back if desired. And as you come to the rear, you can see we have the Stage 2 rear carbon flash spoiler as well. So again, if you wanted to add that middle piece, you can always do it, but right now it's in that Stage 2 configuration. We have the clear tail lights, standard on the Z06, and the NPP multi-mode exhaust. As always, we'll give you guys startup so you can hear her run. Always an excellent sound. I can't deny it. All C7 Z06s sound great, bone stock. Okay, onto the trunk space. All C7 coupes have tons of storage space here. This Corvette Z06 still has the foamies, so again, if you take the wheels off, these foamies go on the brake rotors. They help protect them because they're extremely hard but brittle. You want to make sure they don't get nicked when you're pulling the wheels off. Storage cubby here on the left with the cargo shades. And of course, you have all the hookups for the cargo shade nets if desired. No tint on this car, so shouldn't be a problem for anybody. If you always want to add tint, I highly recommend the ceramic tints. This is a 16, so we do have the slow close feature. Onto the interior, so 3LZ, so we got our Napa premium leather here, Bose 10-speaker sound system, memory seats. We do have the carbon fiber interior package in that brushed finish, so we have that as an upgrade. We have the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, heads-up display. We got the Chevrolet MyLink infotainment system with the drop-down screen. You can stow items in there and actually secure it and lock it up with valet mode if desired. We got our beautiful 7-speed manual transmission. Now, this car has the optional microfiber suede shift wrapped setup, and the same for the seats. We have the optional microfiber suede seat inserts. And again, as mentioned, you got the suede package. Sometimes you get seat only, sometimes you get seat and shifter, and sometimes you get seat, shifter, and steering wheel. But the microfiber suede upper trim package comes standard in all the 3 trim levels. Okay, onto the engine. So, heart and soul of the Corvette Z06. 6.2-liter LT4 Supercharged. So, it's a 1.7-liter Eaton Supercharger on a 6.2-liter block. 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. It's made with a 10-quart dry sump oil system. And while we're in here, we do have one modification. And that, of course, is a Holley Intech cold air intake. It looks almost stock, but no, it is an actual cold air intake, and I highly recommend Holley products. They are really, really good and reliable. We have the FE7 Magnetic Select Ride, as Magnetic Ride is standard on all Z06s. Z07 package gets the FE7. And while you're in here, you also notice the extra .4 reservoir. That's an indication, of course, you were a manual transmission. Okay, this 2026 Z06 has 21,147 miles. We got it priced at $81,995. So the rehash, 2016 3LZ Z07 7-speed manual, custom painted hood stinger, carbon flash stage 2 aero kit, bone stock, microfiber suede package, and carbon fiber interior package. 7-speed manual Z06s are getting harder and harder and harder to find, and I got a handful of them right now. So if you are interested in this beautiful supercar or any other Corvettes in my inventory, see our info up in the corner, down in the description below. And as always, while you're down there, please leave a comment and a thumbs up and hit that hype button. I really, really, really appreciate it. And if you've made it to this point in the video, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.